exhibition, it was a common platform for all the persons to come and interact, but at the same time it has been felt that some technical deliberations are also required so as to satisfy the queries of the farmers or the industrialists. Time and again, the thoughts have been given and it has been redefined, and today it is in a shape where we are organizing this in a shape of a knowledge day. I tell you, it was the real efforts made by the Exhibition Advisory Committee, then by Mr. Rao, Mr. Dhumal, Mr. Harish, and Dr. Milind, and by Dr. Sikka. They had a number of brainstorming sessions how to organize this. Because first time, they have selected the topics which are the need of the hour, which are required to be addressed into. Earlier, it was an interaction, a need-based interaction, but this time this has been conceived on the basis of the issues which are the burning issues of the industry right now, not at a national level, but also are the international problems. India, where we are still in a developing stage, will say we are having a poultry population of around 648 million, where our industry is growing at a rate of around 7 to 13%. For 7%, we are saying it is about the layer industry, and 13% for about the broiler industry. Even if I'll take it, on an average, every year we are growing by 10%. And if we'll see the statistics and the development of agriculture in this country, since 51, this is only the sector which is registering the positive growth. Never it had been the negative growth for this sector. But at the same time, we should also be aware of that this industry needs certain input to perform in an optimum environment, to give the best output. No doubt, the poultry production at this country is at par with any international standards. In spite of the drawbacks by the repeated outbreak of avian influenza, we could able to manage the sustainable growth in poultry sector.